Hey guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Wix forms not working. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix Wix forms here if it's not working? Well, in this case, there are three things that you can do here to possibly fix this issue. So first is you want to make sure that you've cleared your cache. Now sometimes clearing your cache here can solve a lot of issues. So in your browser, you want to click on the three-dot icon at the top right here, and you want to go to your settings. Now in settings, what we need to do is we need to go to privacy and security, click on delete browsing data here, and from here, you want to basically only select cache images and files. Now you could go and select the time range here, so you could choose last hour, 24, 7, 4 weeks, or all time. In this case, go ahead and choose appropriate one here, click on delete data to clear your cache images or your cache data. Now once you've done that, you can go and go back into Wix and see if that solves the issue. Now if that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that you've finished setting up Wix forms. Now in this case, you want to go to your Wix account here or admin page, and what we need to do is we need to go to the app section and you want to go to manage apps. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to view our app here, which in this case, if you do see complete setup for Wix forms and payments, that means you need to basically complete any information that they need from you in order for you to start using it. Now in this case, you go ahead and just click on the complete setup and it should open up a new tab here, which in this case, you just need to fill out and basically provide all the information needed here. Now in this case, this might take a while, but in this case, it should start loading up. And from here, you should be able to see the option to complete it. Like for example, you could add a new form here, manage your subscriptions, and view more templates. Now, in this case, another thing that you might want to do here is you might want to basically just start adding the actual form itself. So just to give you an idea here, let's go and click on the add elements option. And from here, what we need to do is we need to add a form, which in this case, you could go to the option that says contact and form. And from here, you could go ahead and choose one of the pre-made here, or you could create a new form or add existing form if you want to. Now, in this case, let's go and choose one of them. So for example, I want to choose contact here. Let's go and click on it. And from here, we want to select our design. So maybe I want to use this one. Just basically drag it in here. And that should actually add our form. So this might take a while, so just wait for it. And from here on, you can go ahead and customize it as you would. In this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.